Part 2, the latest in pillow technology. They thought the pillows were cool. I saw this pillow. Look at it. It's like a 3D printed. This feels like cool. It stays cool, so your pillow always stays cool. But apparently you don't sleep on this side. This is just a grid. So you flip it over. No, this is not. This is one of the type of pillows I like. It's got a breathable foam and a cool. The fabric is designed to stay cool. This actually feels like almost like a freezer. This side. If you sleep on this side, and it's huggable. And then this one's made of soy. It's organic, an organic pillow. Look at it. And then we got these ones. This aqua gel. And buy one, get one free. See, this is the kind of pillow you're used to. This one's actually not bad. It's made with a real duck down. But then, this one's not great. This one I don't like at all. This one's kind of squishy. So definitely, if you want to buy a pillow, especially if your wife snores, then get one like this one, because
or when your husband snores too.
I think I'm gonna get suffocated with a pillow tonight. I'm gonna sandwich me between the two pillows.
Yeah, right.
I think I'll go with like this kind of style, or maybe this kind of style. See, it's designed to look at this side. Feel how cold that is.
That is cold.
That's
Do you sweat at nighttime?
that's amazing.
Do you sweat at night?
A little bit, not lots, but depends how hot it is.
Oh, buy one get one free.
Yeah.